Welcome to ClubExpress. Today, we'll go over how to set up Who Can Register for your event. To begin, open the Who Can Register panel in the Events module and choose the Edit icon. This is where you define the types of people allowed to register and any specific fees or permissions. There are several registrant types to choose from, including everyone for a single fee for all attendees, non-members or non-member guests if non-members pay a different fee or can bring guests, active members for rates that only apply to members who are active in your club, members by type for different fees based on membership type, subgroups for chapters with customized pricing, or committee members. Select the registrant type that applies, enter a display name or leave it blank, set any fees, and choose visibility settings. If there's a fee change after a specific date, you'll see two fields for entering the initial and changed charges. When you've added Who Can Register, select This panel is complete and save your settings. You can also use the Copy from another event option if you have similar events and want to reuse these settings. And that's it. You've set up Who Can Register for your event in ClubExpress.